Hello again, this is Oliver and welcome back to yet another short video where I explain different analysis techniques for Sudoku. If you like my videos, be sure and give me the thumbs up, and you might think of subscribing as well, be greatly appreciated. Well, hello, it is the 8th of August 2022. I'm afraid I'm down with COVID at the moment, so my voice doesn't sound the best. And today we're going to look at a thing called a W Wing, which I never heard of before until a viewer of the Diabolical Sudoku from last Friday came up with an alternative solution to the one that I had. So this is the actual Sudoku that we were solving. It is of the 22nd of July 22, and we got this far where I then went off using an alternating inference chain. But anyway, Glenn came back and said, there's another way of solving this, and I think it's a beautiful way. Very easy to see. And it says, it's known as a W wing, and think upon it as WXY. You know, it doesn't look like a W at all. It's just that the letter W, I think, it came before X and Y. So here is a by-value cell. And if there's another by-value cell somewhere else with the same two values, then what you do is you want to look and see, think about this as the start and that's the end. Does this have another cell somewhere that it can see with either the 4 or the 3? Well, there are. There's one down here. There's one up here. And now look at this one. And you say, can it see any of the cells with a 4 and a 3? Well, there's one over there, there's one over here, there's one here, there's one here. There's a hell of a lot of them. But then you want to see these new two cells, is there any linkages between them, and it must be a strong link. Well, we can see here with these two cells, there's a strong link here on the 3. Okay, so this cell sees that one, there's a strong link to this one, and that can be seen by this one. And the links are on the number 3. And the rule states, if you have that, well then take the other one, in both cases, the 4, and see are there any cells that can be seen by this and this. We can see this one and this one. So then you should be able to get rid of the 4s. Now let's prove it. Right. How would we prove it? Well, if we look at the 3, if this is off, that's on, that's off, that's on. So we have a chain here on the 3s. And it basically means if that is on, that is off, or if that is on, this is off. Now, keep that in mind. Suppose this is off. That means this is on, and we can get rid of that and that. That's if that is on and that is off. Now if this is on, if this is off, then this is on, and we can see this and this. And the ones that are common between the whole lot of them, as I said before, is here and here. So we just get rid of them. That's it. And then we go ahead, and in this case that actually solves the puzzle for us. I hope this makes sense to you. I only literally learned it about half an hour ago, and I think it is a very, very, very powerful little technique. So keep it there in your back pocket. You never know when you're going to need it. Alright, so slán anish.